Customer experience is a key competitive differentiator for airlines that depend significantly on digital channels. Let's discover how NetCom Learning's customized Kubernetes training supported one of America's world-class airlines to modernize its mobile app to provide a premium travel experience for its customers. Our client is the fifth largest airline in the United States, serving more than 120 destinations across the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Costa Rica. With more than 44 million annual customers, their route system covers 115 destinations and 4 countries. To provide a smooth travel journey for its customers, the airline wanted to modernize their mobile app. They wanted to transform their current system by leveraging cloud technology and microservices and moving to containers to transform the technical architecture and save costs. To support the advancing needs of the customers, NetCom Learning suggested making their mobile app feature-rich and chose Kubernetes as the container orchestration platform that could support a mix of technologies, both in the cloud and on-premises. We delivered customized Kubernetes training to upskill the cloud engineering and software development teams. The training included courses like Kubernetes Fundamentals, Introduction to DevOps with Kubernetes, Red Hat OpenShift 1, Containers and Kubernetes, and more. Our customized training solution also included access to facilitated sessions and online resources for learners. Certified trainers and hands-on labs made the team's learning journeys effortless. After their training, the teams had a strong operating knowledge of Kubernetes. The shift to Kubernetes exponentially reduced the resource costs and made on-premises scaling quicker. NetCom Learning's solution helped their employees manage a containerized application infrastructure and enabled them to achieve several innovative goals. Their mobile app was upgraded and offered faster check-in solutions for customers to manage their online travel, including selecting seats, printing boarding cards, and securing several additional services, such as lounge access and complimentary upgrades. The app is currently generating thousands of WhatsApp and email boarding passes daily. The client was thrilled to share that they officially joined the One World Airline Alliance as its 14th member to provide fantastic global connectivity. NetCom Learning's training solution enabled the airline's workforce to provide a frictionless travel experience for its customers and offer additional services via a modernized mobile app. Highly impressed with the training provided by NetCom Learning, the company has already scheduled 4 new training projects with us. We want our clients to have their ideal training solution, combat their business challenges, and meet organizational goals effectively. We are official learning partners with vendors like Microsoft, AWS, CompTIA, Cisco, PMI, Autodesk, and more. Let us know your business challenge, and we will give you the best training solution. Be a lifelong learner. Please like and subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more information.